So the electric bike king, the RadWagon. We're going to see how to get it out of this box.
Yeah, don't use it when there's those on there. That might not be good.
So far, the hardest thing's been putting on the kickstand. And I'll show you something about the kickstand later, but you do have to thread the kickstand through the chain. So it don't go below the chain, it goes above the chain. Next, I'm going to try to figure this out. So in looking at the forks, when you're adjusting the forks to put the handlebars on and the front tire on, you would think that this piece goes in the back. It don't, it goes in the front. So, still working on getting this loose. But the hex head where the wrench goes will be on the right side of the bike. Or it will be backwards. Okay, and in order to get the handlebars on properly, this has a USB port in it. The USB port will be pointing down, so that rolls on top of the bike like that. So the USB port is facing this way. So I'm going to get it about where I think it should be, and I'm going to tighten down a little bit. Just want to make sure it's in the center. Looks good. Alright, that's pretty good. Now, I'll tighten that back up. It's not. There's a lot more to do.
Yeah, but it looks like a complete bike. But this isn't any ordinary bike.
Okay.
Electric.
Now we'll take off these things. I'm leaving as much packing on here as possible to keep from scratching anything up. So try not to scratch anything. Now to take this off, this is part of the front wheel too, so don't throw any of this away. You got to do that. You got to unscrew it and take this cap off. And you got to save every bit of this. Can you see? Okay, right here on the axle there's a couple of springs. The small part goes towards the wheel on both sides. And then put that nut on. And then you're going to put this on the bicycle. You got to make sure that the brake caliper goes in, and it's a little tight. It's a little tight. I'm going to have to loosen that up. Okay, so I got it on, got the front wheel on here, and it's turning pretty good. Now we're going to do the front fender. The front fender also has the light assembly. And I watched probably 50 to 100 videos too before doing this. So, if that tells you anything. So here's the light, and it has a little, so you got to loosen up the screw on the headlight and get the bracket adjusted a little bit. Now in order to put the headlight on, you got to put the fender on first. Put it in place. You got to put the bolt through the headlight. Can you see that with the camera?
I might need to zoom in
Can you
a
see it
little
with the
bit.
camera?
Yeah.
And then you put it through the bracket on the fender. It looks a lot easier on the videos when they do it, because they're in the building and they've got all the perfect scenarios. Perfect scenario. Now we got to tighten this up. With the magic of the camera, it'll be tight real quick. Okay, now we're going to tighten up this headlight and fender. It's good and tight. Now we got the two brackets to put on for the fender. Got it started. Now we'll do this side. So yeah, they tighten that up tight. Okay, now we're going to put this fender bracket over here. Put the screw through the eyelet and then put it back in. Not too over tight, because this is all aluminum. Do not over tighten. And it does have instructions in the manual about torque, how much torque to have on and stuff like that. So if you have a torque wrench, which I don't have, it would be good to use a torque wrench. Okay, that's done. Then we're going to hook the light up. Can you see me?
Yep.
Hook the light up. There's no twisting. It just lines up and goes in about there. There you go. Hey, we got the wheels on. This looks pretty good. I think that light could still go that way some, couldn't it? Huh? Yeah. So far, so good. All right.
I'm not moving an inch.
You're not moving an inch?
No, because I saw a wasp and it flew right by me.
Okay. Taking these zip ties off. Cardboard off. Packing paper off. And there's the battery. Oh, before I forget to tell you, this is a 2020. I ordered it in 2020. It might be a 2019, but I ordered it in 2020. This is April the 22nd. That's when I got this thing. Putting it together today. There's a lot more to do, but I'm going to take a break. Now on these, you have to turn this one the opposite way. That's all you got to do.
That's cool looking. It looks like a piece of a table, almost, because of the design.
Thank you. Thank you.
I got it.
Okay. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to do some more things to the bike, do some mods, add some things, add some baskets and things for grocery shopping and stuff. So check back with my other videos and check out what all I do with my phone mounts, my mirror mounts, all kinds of stuff. There's a lot of things you can do to this thing to make it an everyday bike or an everyday vehicle. So thanks for watching. You guys have a great day and happy riding. This is rad, man.